Summer anxiety. Summer is often thought to be one of the most enjoyable experiences of the academic year for children and young people. However, this is not the case for everyone. First of all, there is the fear of transitioning to secondary school for those who are leaving a much-loved primary school. There is the anxiety of new teachers, new friends to be made, and even the confusion of making their way around the quite often much larger buildings that can cause unwanted feelings. For those staying in the school they currently attend, knowing that you're going to a new class where you will be faced with a teacher that you perhaps already have some assumptions about. Perhaps you saw them shouting at someone in the corridor, causing you to feel trepidation about the upcoming transition into their class. For others, summertime brings about the prospect of re-engaging with an estranged parent, where for those whose parents have separated, they may be expected to spend a portion of the summer holidays with a parent that they are not used to seeing quite so regularly. These children then feel fearful around staying overnight in a place that they are not so familiar with, or quite simply have to engage with the parent that they do not have much of a relationship with. In any of these cases, we begin to understand why summertime isn't filled with quite so much hope and positivity as we would usually assume. In my therapy practice in Essex, I help children and teenagers to develop strategies to overcome anxiety. I work with young people and parents from Basildon, Billericay, Wickford, Southend-on-Sea, Chelmsford, Colchester and Brentwood. I begin by offering a free consultation session, after which we will begin our sessions together, usually on a one-to-one with your child or with you as a parent. After each session, I report back to parents and carers with techniques that you can use at home to help the young people in your lives feel more settled and at ease, particularly in relation to the triggers that usually cause them to feel anxious. Sometimes the work we do together may be more practical based. For example, being more relaxed throughout the summer holidays, whilst it has its benefits, also means that the familiar routine can go out of the window. A lack of routine in itself can be anxiety-inducing for young people, and sometimes identifying these simple solutions is all you need to get back on the right track. At times, my work is more focused on helping parents best support your young people at home, whereas at other times, the work I do is direct with your child. After a free consultation session which takes place in Craze Hill, I will be able to give you an idea about how many sessions will be required in order to help your child fully overcome the problem. If you'd like to book a free consultation session, you can do so using the link on the left-hand side of this page. Contact. And help your child have an enjoyable time, however they may be spending their summer. In addition to the above, I also work with teenagers and young people around other challenges such as low confidence, low self-esteem, fears, and poor communication skills. These all fit into the area of mental and emotional well-being. Helping your child to handle these issues means that they can go into the new academic year feeling as mentally and emotionally robust as possible.